Here, his name is Junior. Alright, here we go with our offense. Starting at center, number 12, Ethan Miller. At right guard, Dylan Rivera. At left guard, McCarley. At right tackle, Jared Keep. At left tackle, Ben Shipley. At tailback, Brian Maddox. Our multi-purpose back, running back, wide receiver, Trey Murray. Our Z wideout, Alec Holt. Our H back, Cameron Broughton. Our X, Sean Dixon. And our starting quarterback, Blaine Ferguson. At defense, we got defensive tackle, where are you at? John Rabayo. At the other defensive tackle, Eddie Jordan. At defensive end and tight end, Reese Decker. And another defensive end, Little Miller. At outside linebacker and fullback, Bryce Ferguson. At defensive tackle, let's go corner. At corner, Timmy Shad. At defensive tackle, his brother, Tommy Shad. And number 42, at defensive tackle, defensive end, center, David Larson.
All right, you know what? I want one more big, huge round of applause for all of these fantastic young men and these